If you are looking for a digital business idea that you can start doing from the comfort of your home, if you are stuck on what kind of business to do, you want a business that is easy to start, easy to grow, and easy to build from the comfort of your home, then this is a video for you. So today I will be showing you one of the trending, best-selling digital products out there. And of course, it is a coloring book, but not just any coloring book. It is this specific coloring book. And I am going to be creating this in less than 10 minutes. When it comes to making this product, packaging it, ready to sell, it is going to take you less than 10 minutes, and I will be showing you what to do. Now, I have said it multiple times that coloring pages are making tons of money on Etsy, and I will show you how easy it is to make from scratch. Now, the thing is not just any coloring pages, okay? Specific coloring books. Think of specific coloring books that is solving specific needs, that is speaking to specific category of customers. And so I will be showing you how to create one of the best selling coloring books out there. You can sell it digitally, you can sell it physically, you can sell it as a physical copy, you can sell it as a digital copy. As long as you are making products like this, you will definitely sell. And I will be showing you how easy and quick it is to make this product. Today, I will be showing you how to create the Black Woman coloring pages. This is one niche coloring pages category that is always selling. I have told you when I introduce a product to you, best believe that I have made my research and I am telling you from lived experience. Okay. I am not just popping out random digital products and say, oh, this sells. No, this is born out of research and you have proof. Look at this. It's a bestseller. When you see bestsellers, I have told you, any product that says bestseller or popular is your sign that there is high demand for it. You should never feel intimidated when you see this bestseller. Don't do that. This is your sign to create something similar to this because apparently it's in demand and you should be adding values or you should be contributing to meeting the demand. Look at this bestseller. You can literally build your business around black girl or black woman coloring books. This person obviously has done that. This seller has cracked the code. They have their store mainly focused on black woman, black girl coloring books. And you can imagine that it's definitely going to sell. Your store can be just for coloring pages that speaks to black women or black girls. And yes, there is a big market for that. The next question is how to create it. Easy peasy. I have generated the images. These images was generated in less than 3-4 minutes, okay, using one of the prompts in my prompt pack. If you want this prompt, you can click in the link in the description. Grab the Coloring Pages to Profit AI Toolkit. In that toolkit, you will get over 500 prompts, nicely niched and categorized for you. So if you feel like creating Black women coloring pages today, you go into the prompt bank in the AI Toolkit, you grab the prompt pack for Black women, put it in your AI, it automatically generates the images. Very clear images. You know why it is clear? It is not some random AI generated image. No. Every image you see here is as a result of how rich the prompt is. This means that every prompt in the prompt pack has been carefully curated so that the images that will be generated from these prompts are clear, are very beautiful, and well detailed, as you can see. So, this is what we have come up with. Look at this. Look at this. Imagine coloring these images. Can you see? Look at this. This is speaking solely to black women, clearly. And you can see some hairstyles being expressed over here too. Can you see that? Can you see different hairstyle? Of course you can. That is exactly what I'm talking about. Because the thing is, if you just type on your AI and say, give me Black women coloring pages, it's just going to do some random images. But if you give it a well curated written prompt, it will give you a well put together high resolution images or image, just like you are seeing right now. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. So if you want to, oh, I love this. If you want this prompt, click on the link in the description, grab the AI toolkit that contains a prompt bank with over 500 prompts, carefully curated, carefully packaged in packs. So if you feel like creating something that has to do with cactus or something that has to do with the summer or the spring, you're going to be finding it in the prompt bank. So grab your toolkits and start creating now. The step is the same. All we need to do is this: generate our images from the prompt in the prompt bank. Look at this. Look at the details in this. Just look at this image. Now, once our images are generated, the next step is to convert the images into a PDF file that is already done, because the PDF file is what you're going to be selling as a digital coloring book. That is, if you want to sell these as a digital coloring book, you're going to be selling it as a PDF file. If you want to sell these as a physical book, a physical hard copy coloring books, it is also very possible. All you need to do is take the file to your printer. If you are self-publishing, perfect, take it to your printer, and then your printer prints this, package this as a book, good to go. Or you can use print on demand services, which I will be sharing after this series. I will also be showing you different ways you can package and sell your digital products. If you have not subscribed to this channel, this is your sign to do so, because you are going to be getting value. In this channel, you will learn all you need to know about starting your digital product business from home, because I am a stay-at-home mother that is working full-time from home while running the home front, right? It is possible, especially with products like this. That is why I decided to do this series, to show you products that you can easily start with from home, or small business ideas that you can start creating from home. So, step one, grab your prompt of your choice. Step two, put it into your AI, generate the images. Step three, convert these images into a PDF file. Step four, create your product photo, or what I call your listing photo. I will keep saying it. I am going to be explaining this again. I have said it in other videos, and I will say it again. Your product image or your listing image is very important, because this is the image that tells your customer or the buyer what your product is about. You want it to be very clear. You want it to say exactly what the product is about. Next step is package your product. Create your listing photo, package your product. There are two ways you can do this. You can do this using AI or Canva. If you want to see different ways I have created listing photos, you can check previous videos, okay? I have uploaded 17 videos showing you digital product ideas that you can start creating from home. And I have also shown how you can create your photo listing using AI or Canva. You want to compare the options, you want to check it out, click on the playlist that says 30 digital product ideas that you can start from home. Click on it and get busy, okay? Get entertained, get busy, get inspired. Now, the next step is to create our listing photo. Today, I am going to be creating it using AI. So ChatGPT will do all that for me, and I will show you what we have come up with, okay? After creating your listing photos, the next step is to upload your product on your sales platform, ready to sell. For the sake of this series and these videos, I will be showing you how to upload your product on Etsy. Now, if you don't have an Etsy store and you are selling your digital products on another platform, so if you're selling on Gumroad, Shopify, or link in bio, social media, wherever you're selling your product, the principle is the same. You need a listing photo or a product photo. You need your digital file, your PDF file. You need your title. You need your description, right? So, same principle across whatever sales platform you might be selling on. Next step is to create our listing photo and then upload it on Etsy. I will be showing you what I have created and then show you how to upload it on Etsy. This is the listing photo I have created. As you can see clearly, This product is a cozy black woman self-care coloring book. You see that? This image used on the cover is one of the images in the PDF file. ChatGPT created this cover. Beautiful. And then I told it to make sure it includes all the important information that has to do with this coloring page. And it did a good job. Whoever is seeing this product will know, first of all, this is a digital coloring book, so they will not be getting a physical book. Secondly, it's an instant download, it is a PDF file. They are going to also see that they are getting two sizes of this PDF file in US letter and A4 size. Everything is here just by looking at this photo. This is what a listing photo should look like. And then the next step is create other infographics or other images that tells more of what your product is about. Okay, you can also add videos if you want to. I also have shown in previous videos how you can create listing videos using Canva. It doesn't have to be overly professionally done. Okay, you can just satisfy Etsy by adding a video. However, your product will still sell whether you have a video or not. Next is other images. See what's included: 40 coloring pages. This one, what this coloring page is about. The theme, always nice to say. Tell them the kind of product is a PDF file you get in two sizes, is an instant download. Just more graphics. You see that? And then the next is how it works. You buy, you add to cart, complete your purchase, you download your files instantly, print and enjoy coloring pages. Everything here has been generated using ChatGPT. Just add beautiful things you can add, more infographics just to show the customer what they're getting, and you're good to go. So we have this. To upload it on Etsy, easy peasy, add your photos, which I have just done, and I have just shown you that you can add your video if you have a video. Okay, this video you can also create using AI, so you can do an AI video or a video using Canva. The beautiful part about this is even after I click publish, when I publish my product, I can always come back and edit it. Okay, so you can always come back and add more products, totally fine, right? Music to my ears. I will always say this. I say this to my students. I say this to my clients. Always make sure that your title contains words that the buyers are using to search. Buyers are searching for black girl coloring book. Please make sure you put it in there. Buyers are searching for black woman coloring book. Make sure you include it there. Of course, melanin coloring pages. The point is, your titles should always be SEO optimized. That is exactly what it is. Have it in your titles and or your description. Then next step, add your files. This is very important. You don't want to add the wrong files. You want to ensure that your digital files are nicely named so that it helps the customer choose what they want. I am offering two sizes. The same thing I tell my students, always offer multiple sizes. Once you're sure that your file has been uploaded, this is very important. You write your descriptions. Descriptions is the same principle as the title. You want it to be SEO optimized. This is nicely written using AI. Okay. Tell your AI to write you an Etsy listing, title and description with tags, and then you tell it the product. It's going to do a good job. Once that is done, add your tags, fill up the other necessary information, your pricing. You don't have to add delivery address because once you select digital file, they know that you're not going to be delivering it to a physical address. Once that is done, you set everything up, click publish, and your product is good to go. We have created the product for today. This product is ready to sell. And I have created this quickly and easily because of the AI toolkit. I did not have to go through the hassles and the stress of thinking of how to write the prompt to generate images like this. I didn't have to do that. So you don't have to start thinking of how do I write a prompt. With this AI toolkit, I am saving you time and I am saving you money because it costs money to generate images using AI. However, with this AI toolkit, I have saved you the time of going back and forth to put a prompt together. In the AI toolkit, you have your already done for you written prompts available for you to use that will generate high resolution coloring pages that you can use to create your coloring books. And guess what? This toolkit is very, very affordable, and I will be showing you exactly what this toolkit is about. This is the toolkit. This is the coloring pages to profit AI toolkit. This is what you get: over 500 prompts in the prompt bank. You would also be getting your prompt formula cheat sheet. So it's going to also show you how you can write your prompt or edit your prompt, tweak your prompt to generate more images. You're also going to be getting a prompt studio. Yes, there's a prompt studio that has been created in a way that you just click a button and it's going to generate multiple prompts for you. How cool is that? This is beginner friendly. Okay, you're going to also get product packaging guide. All these things I've said, you're also going to be getting a guide, so it helps you understand how to package your coloring books. And you have these videos that I am creating so that you can fall back to. You are not going to be stuck thinking of what products to create, because in the prompt bank you have multiple products that you can start to create. And if you still feel confused, when you buy this AI toolkit, you will be invited to an exclusive group, okay, where you get to ask more questions if you have any question, where you get to share your frustration, where you get to share your confusion. If you are feeling stuck, if you'd want me to look at your store, you have the high chance of getting a shop audit from me when you get this AI toolkit. So I am not just selling you some random and I abandon you or leave you hanging. No, I am going to support you. You will get the support that you need. This is the best offer you can get anywhere. This product is less than $10. This product is $9. So do not walk, run. Run to the description, click on the link and grab this product, because this price is just for this period. It is definitely going to go up very soon. So grab this product and start your digital product business now. Okay. I hope that I have shown you that you can easily start your digital product business from the comfort of your home. You can start creating from the comfort of your home. So, yes, that will be all for today. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? You have gotten to this point. You have seen that this channel has value. Click on the subscribe button. Subscribe to this channel. Okay. Subscribe to my channel. You're not just helping my channel grow, you're also telling YouTube that this video can be helpful to a stay at home mother out there, a woman out there, or a student out there that is looking for side hustle ideas. This video will be helpful to them. So YouTube will get to push this video so that people that need this knowledge will come and get the values that they need, the push, the encouragement, and the formula they need to start something of their own. So, yes, that will be all for today. Click on the link in the description to grab your toolkits, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.